how to shut down laptop with your keyboard on Windows. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily shut down your laptop using your keyboard. So I'm going to be showing you guys with the help of the on-screen keyboard. So let me just pop this up. There are quite a few ways you can do this. So the first thing is obviously going over to your power menu. And once you open it up, you can just press tab until the power button is selected. Keep pressing it, and once you get to this section right here on your name, you can just press the arrow key, tap on enter, and then select using the arrow key what you want to do. So if you want to shut down, just click on shut down, and if you just want to restart, select restart and hit enter. This is the first and easy method. But if you want to be quicker, you can use the function key right here. So you can use the F4 key. If you press Alt plus F4 like this, you could bring out the shutdown windows, and you could bring out the power menu from there as well. So let me just hide this. Just press Alt F4. In some cases, you need to press the function key as well, and this will bring out the menu. Now just use your arrow key up or down to browse through the menu and find the option to shut down. Now once you click on the drop down, you can find the shutdown menu. If you don't see the shutdown option here, you could just go ahead and you might have changed the settings here, so just click on any one of the option and then click on OK. Once you have done that, the last option is to use Windows plus X key. So let me just bring out the keyboard again. Press Windows and then X key. What it does is it will bring out the pop-up menu. So let me just press X here. It will bring out the start menu. And once the start menu pops up, you can press U to go to shutdown or sign out. So just go ahead and press U on your keyboard. And then if you want to shut down again, press any one of these keys. For shutdown, it's P to update and shut down, or if you just press U, it will shut down. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you shut down your laptop from your keyboard. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.